Hey YouTube, this is Phil from Phil's Beginner Code, giving you a sincere and heartfelt thank you for 300 subscribers and 30,000 views across the channel. This channel would be nothing without everything that you guys bring to the table. I've gotten made fun of in the comments, I've helped people make plots, I've helped you get through errors in Python, and I can't wait to see what's going to be next. In case you don't know the origin story of this channel, it started out about a year and a half ago, and I posted a video about using Python macros to automate processes to use a CO2 laser engraver. It was a half-hour long. I thought it was super boring and bland, and I come back about 6 months later after posting it, and it has 1,000 views. Kind of piqued the interest. But what really got me interested in making a channel was that people commented on it. People were so supportive and excited about the content that they wanted to see more. I thought, okay, well, maybe we can make something happen here. I made a 3-minute version of that video because a half hour I thought was way too much. And then I made a MATLAB series, did a Python series. I'm working on still building those up. And there's a huge project that's going to be coming out very soon. In about mid-May will be the release date. I'm putting together a massive tutorial on everything beginner MATLAB. If you're curious about that, you can drop a comment below, or of course you can always email me at philsbeginnercode@gmail.com. All that being said, the best part of this channel is interacting with you as the audience and as the viewer. I would not care to be here if it was just me making videos. That's not as fun as it may sound. What's fun is when you guys comment. When I comment and I get home from my regular job and I get to come onto YouTube and interact with you and help you through those initial problems that you see in programming languages, that absolutely makes my day. I've struggled as a beginner programmer. I still struggle as a beginner programmer because there's so much knowledge out there. There's so much to learn. It's not an easy process. Anything I can do to help, please just let me know. philsbeginnercode@gmail.com. Send me a message, and I'm happy to go over things with you because I know what it's like struggling in those beginner stages. With all that being said, I want to give one last shout out to my boy Felix. This guy has commented on almost every single video that I have put out and has been my #1 follower from the start. Cheers, Felix. I'm excited where this channel has been, and I'm super excited to see where it's going to go. And it's all thanks to you guys as the viewers. As a final note, I want to provide you with some motivation. If there's something that you've been thinking about doing for a long time, maybe missing that last push, allow me to provide that for you right now. I never thought that this channel would become anything more than just a couple views here and a couple subscribers there. Of course, 300 is by no means something to be, world famous about and get super hyped on. But for me, it's a big deal. I encourage you to take that next step in whatever you're trying to do and give it a go. You never know when you're going to get 300 complete strangers from Japan, Indonesia, Australia, India, Pakistan, the UK, and the US. People are going to come and support you. Give it a go, and good luck. Thanks for watching.